Yeah, this is good. Woo!
I hope you really liked that because I'm about to show you how I used a fog machine to create a high-resolution panorama photo of sunbeams streaming through the trees of a forest on a day where there was no fog. Hi, my name's Tim Shields. I'm a landscape photographer and I'm here to help you take your photography from good to great. So hit that red subscribe button and the bell beside it, and that way you'll be notified whenever I have a new tutorial. In addition, you can download a free sample pack of my landscape profiles for Lightroom CC. Just click the link below. So I had a problem, and the problem was that I had a client who was asking for a photo of sunbeams streaming through the trees of a forest on a foggy day. And the problem was I didn't have the photo, so I set about to actually create it. Step one was to rent a fog machine, and I found a high capacity fog machine called the Battle Fogger, and this thing was truly ready for battle. I rented that, and I also rented a generator to power the fog machine. Then I needed a location where there was a forest with nice straight trees, and I got written permission to use that location. Then I needed the help of a friend, and I enlisted the help of my very good friend and landscape photographer, Chris Collicott. And finally, and most importantly, we needed the perfect weather for this photo shoot. And we found a day where there was sunlight, clear skies, and absolutely no wind, which was very important. So follow me and I will show you exactly how we used this fog machine to create this awesome photo.
Hey, we're B-roll of the B-roll, right?
B-roll of the B-roll.
Yep. All right, here we do it. Let's do this. Wow, beautiful day.
The best. Perfect conditions.
I can hear the frogs.
So we just made it into this most incredible forest. The ground is covered with a super thick layer of moss. It's that saturated deep green, and beams of sunlight are starting to stream through the trees, and where the sun is hitting the ground, because the moss is so wet, it's causing steam to float up into the air. It's absolutely gorgeous. The conditions could not be better for what we're about to do to create a really cool fog-filled panorama photo. The first challenge, once we arrived in the forest, was to find the exact location for our shooting spot where we would set up our cameras. So we found a very small clearing so that we would have a good amount of foreground before the start of any trees.
I think I'm gonna need extension cord assistance.
What I found was a huge problem was the weight of the machine. It was 30 pounds, but as I walked with the machine, the extension cord kept getting caught on trees and logs, and I wasn't able to move the machine from one side to the other. It was actually super tiring to do this.
Go, go, go.
We needed to carry the fog machine from the left side of the frame all the way over to the right side of the frame so the fog would be evenly dispersed from side to side. You don't want to have too much fog on one side and not enough fog on the other side. You need the fog to be balanced across the whole photo.
Oh, looking nice. Look at that. Wow. Where's our camera gear? Okay.
I can't carry it anymore.
Okay. Yeah, this is good. Woo! Here we go. We're gonna gotta find chase this stuff.
What we discovered was that we had to take our photos very fast. We would snap a few photos and then the fog would be moving from one side to the other, and we had to pick up our tripods and run with them to try and get ahead of the fog to take the next photo. It was actually much more challenging than I ever thought it was going to be.
Wow, look at that. Oh, amazing.
Can you believe this smoke and these sunbeams? This is so awesome. Perfect, couldn't have been better.
Pretty awesome. Check it out. Look at those sunbeams. Woohoo! Yeah. Double rainbow.
Taking a pano. This has been so fun. You need to try this. Go rent yourself a fog machine sometime. Get out into a rainforest or any type of forest where there are trees that creates beams of light and give it a try. I had so much fun doing this, and I know that when I get back home to the office and process this photo, I believe it's going to look absolutely beautiful.
So here's the really cool update. After the photo shoot, I created a high-resolution panorama image of the sunbeams streaming through the trees and through the fog. I submitted the photo to the Epson Pano Awards, which is an international photo competition, and I just learned today that my photo won a silver award. How cool is that? So it just goes to show, if you have a somewhat crazy idea to go out and get a cool and unusual landscape photo, then go do it, because chances are you will create something original, something that's yours, and something that you'll be proud of.
Well, I think that was a pretty good shoot. We got the fog going, got the shot, and we did it at a time of year when you typically can't get fog. So managed to solve the problem and get a result. So yeah, that's a wrap.